Friends, I am Dr. Atul Bhave. Friends, today we are going to talk about roadmap towards bank jobs, that is all about IBPS. Friends, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, बस हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, बस हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Friends, if you want to succeed in your life, you should have strong desire, you should make all out efforts, hard work, and you should get proper guidance. Only then you can succeed in life. Same is the case in case of IBPS, that is bank jobs. You should have strong desire to become bank officer. Then you should make efforts in the proper direction. And definitely for that proper guidance is very much required. Friends, today's world is smart world. So smartness is very much required. Instead of hard work, smart work is required. Proper direction you should know. Only and only then you can achieve the target. So in today's lecture, I am going to discuss with you about careers in banking. Friends, banking is the fastest growing industry all over the world. After liberalization, privatization and globalization, banking is on its new high. Lot of employment opportunities are there in banking sector. So today we will discuss roadmap towards bank jobs, that is all about IBPS. Friends, what we have to discuss is which are the types of bank. On different basis, different type of banks we can classify: Reserve Bank, commercial banks, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, and whatnot. But from the point of view of jobs, I like to discuss our banks into two parts. One is public or government banks and second is private bank. Because majority of employment opportunity is giving good return and giving security are in commercial banks, and they are divided into two categories, that is public government banks and private banks. In case of public government banks, which are they? Let us see some examples. Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, Canara Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, our Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Central Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Then when we go towards private bank, there is ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, IDFC First Bank, Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, Bandhan Bank, and whatnot. Friends, when we discuss about selection in public sector banks, as well as private sector bank, selection is through IBPS. Now what is mean by IBPS? What is full form? Institute of Banking and Personnel Selection. Institute of Banking and Personnel Selection. This institute select probationary officers, bank clerk for commercial banks, regional rural banks, etc., etc. Now second agency is SBI, one of the public sector banks, State Bank of India. It is not using IBPS for selecting or recruiting its staff. It is doing that job on their own, job of recruitment of staff. So SBI is different industry. What is there? Sometimes private banks, which we discussed, may directly recruit their staff, but it happens on very less number of occasions. Otherwise, IBPS is used by all the public government banks and majority, almost all private banks. Now, we will discuss recruitment through IBPS. Which type of recruitment is there? Now, when we use IBPS, four types of recruitments are there through IBPS. Which are they? First is bank PO, that is bank probationary officer. Second is bank clerk. Third is RRB office assistant, regional rural bank office assistant. And fourth is regional rural bank officer. Now, in today's lecture, regional rural bank, bank assistant and regional rural bank officer, very less number of posts, less frequency. So we are not going to concentrating on that. But today we are going to concentrate on bank probationary officer and bank clerk jobs. What are the requirements? What type of exams are there? How much salary you get? What position you get? All those things we are going to discuss through this video. Friends, first of all, I like to discuss about bank probationary officer. Friends, if you want to become a bank probationary officer, what is required is you should have degree, BA, BCom, BSc, or if specifically mentioned in advertisement, then BE engineering or maybe MBA. Like that, some degree you should have with you. Now new education policy is there. So some subjects of BA, some of BCom and some of BSc, you can make such type of graduation. It will add some new features. But today, if you are a BA, BCom, BSc or you have any degree, you are eligible for applying for bank probationary officer's job. And today this application procedure is also online. When we go towards age limit, you should have minimum age of 20 years and maximum age of 30 years. Minimum 20 years and maximum 30 years should be your age for becoming bank probationary officer. Then some concessions in age are given. For OBC 3 years concession is there, maximum 33 years. For SC/ST it is maximum 35 years, 5-year concession. For PWD 10-year concession, maximum 40 years. Now, then you should have to give one examination. Examination is in 3 steps. First, pre-examination, then main examination and then interview. So for becoming bank probationary officer, first you have to give pre-examination, then main examination and at last interview. How is the pre-examination? In pre-examination, these 3 subjects are there. 1 hour's period is there and 100 marks are there. Now, English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability are the 3 subjects. English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. Now for English, 30 marks, 30 questions. For quantitative aptitude, 35 marks, 35 questions. And for reasoning ability, 35 marks, 35 questions. In total 100 marks and 1 hour's period objective type of exam. Usually it is conducted online. When you clear this pre-exam, when you pass this pre-exam, you have to go for main examination. In main examination, 5 papers are there, 4 objective type of papers, 1 subjective paper. Marks of 4 objective papers are counted and 1 subjective paper is there which is only for eligibility. Qualifying paper marks are not counted, that is writing test subjective essay which is known as. Now which 4 papers of objective type are there for main exam? One is of computer aptitude, second is related with general, economy, banking, third is English language and fourth is data analysis. Now friends, let us see computer aptitude 45 questions, 60 marks, 60 minutes. General economy banking, 40 marks, 40 questions, 35 minutes. English language, 35 questions, 40 marks, 40 minutes. And data analysis, 35 questions, 60 marks and 45 minutes. And as I discussed earlier, one paper on writing test, that is subjective essays, which is qualifying paper, no marks. First 4 papers I discussed are of objective types and usually conducted online. And writing test is also conducted online. You have to type instead of writing on your computer. So, like that is your main exam. After clearing pre-exam and after clearing main exam, you have to go for interview. Friends, there are different interview techniques which you can apply, you can study. Proper presentable you should be, proper knowledgeable you should be, proper etiquettes, manners you should have. Only and only then you can clear interview and get job of bank probationary officer. Friends, I like to tell you that for how to prepare for pre, how to prepare for main, how to prepare for interview, I am going to upload detailed videos about that on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe that so that you can get easily without consuming any time those videos. Now after this, let us discuss about what is the salary of bank probationary officer. If you tell about salary of bank probationary officer, then 23,700 is the basic salary of bank probationary officer. With that, some incentives are there. So 40,000 to 50,000 is the starting salary of bank probationary officer. There is no limit of number of attempts. For number of times you can give this examination, no limit is there. Usually every year IBPS conduct this examination. Only age limit is there. Taking into consideration that age limit, you can make n number of attempts for this examination. Now, friends, if you get selected as bank probationary officer, then 2 years probation is there. After completing 2 years probation, what is there is you can become assistant bank manager, and higher posts you get. You can go to the post of CEO by giving internal exams in bank during upcoming periods from the bank probationary officer with passage of time. Now, during this 2 years probation, you have to handle different works during this 2 years period, which can enrich your experience. You can learn different works, how to carry out that. So bank probationary officer is the prestigious career, and you should and have to try for that career so that you can get economic wealth as well as social prestige. Let me discuss the second career which I want to discuss today in IBPS, that is bank clerk. Friends, for bank clerk now graduation is the minimum qualification. You should be either BA, BCom, BSc or any other degree for becoming bank clerk. When we discuss about age limit, minimum 20 years, maximum 28 years is the age limit for bank clerk. Concessions are there. For OBC 3-year concession instead of 28, 31 years maximum limit. For SC, ST 5 years concession, that is 33 years maximum limit, and PWD 10 years concession, 38 years is the maximum age for becoming bank clerk for PWD. Now, after watching advertisement in any of the media, you can online apply for bank clerk's post. Now, when we discuss about examination for bank clerk, there are only and only 2 steps in bank clerk exam. One is pre-exam and second is main exam. For bank clerk there is no interview. Now when we see about pre-examination, friends, what is there in pre-examination? In pre-examination, same as bank probationary officer, 1 hour, 100 mark and 3 subjects. English 30 marks, 30 questions. Quantitative aptitude 35 marks, 35 questions, and reasoning ability 35 marks, 35 questions. When we pass this pre-examination, we have to appear for examination of men, that is main examination. In main examination of bank clerk, there are 4 papers. There is no paper on subjective writing, essays. Only 4 papers are there for bank clerk. Which are they? General financial awareness, then general English, then reasoning and computers, then mathematics. These are the 4 papers bank clerk have to give. Now, general financial awareness 50 questions, 50 marks and 35 minutes. General English 40 questions, 40 mark, 35 minutes. Reasoning and computers 50 questions, 60 marks, 45 minutes. Mathematics 50 questions, 50 marks, 45 minutes. In total 200 marks are there. When we clear pre-exam, when we clear main exam, directly we are recruited as bank clerk. There is no need of any other thing like interview for becoming bank clerk. Now friends, for bank clerk, if you have to prepare, what you have to do? You have to read books and notes about financial awareness, about English grammar you have to study, reasoning ability, mathematics, computer related books, notes you have to study. In upcoming periods, I will definitely discuss with you what is study material, how to study in my upcoming videos. Then if we discuss about salary of bank clerk, basic is 11,765 plus many incentives are there, and 35 to 40,000 rupees bank clerk easily get as his or her salary from her or his job. Now, if we want to become a bank probationary officer or bank clerk, what we have to do is we have to make a lot of efforts. Efforts is very much required thing. Now, how we can make efforts for becoming bank clerk? Friends, first thing, we have to study English grammar, we have to study mathematical formulas, we have to develop our reasoning ability, financial awareness, current affairs, all things we should study by using study material notes. Which is the study material for bank probationary officer, which is the study material for bank clerk, I am going to discuss in detail in my upcoming videos. To know that, you should subscribe my channel. How do you like this, my lecture? Whether you like or not, you should press like button for that, showing your interest, and definitely subscribe my channel, give your comments. Now friends, for becoming bank probationary officer, bank clerk, first thing is your strong desire is required. With that, you should make smart effort, not hard efforts, because what is required that you should study, and with that you should have proper guidance which I will give you, and definitely you will become either bank probationary officer or bank clerk, whatever you desire. With this, I like to stop here. Thank you.